Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the euro yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the euro yen, I still think this looks like a 1, 2, 3, and I still don't see any evidence at all that the wave 3 is over. I still don't see a break of structure. I don't see a lower high. We do have a Fibonacci bounce, but that alone doesn't really necessarily tell me it's going down. And even when it does go down, it's probably still going to be a corrective wave 4, and we'll probably still get another push up for a wave 5. But that wave 4, when it does happen, is going to last, probably 5 to 6 months, just like the wave 2 lasted, 5, 6 months. So, anyways, let's take it down to the weekly. Now, on the weekly time frame, I've been saying this for weeks now that this could be a wave A, this could be a wave B, and it definitely could go down for a wave C. That would be a completely normal looking pattern if that did happen. I'm definitely still leaning towards the fact that this may go up and it may take out the previous highs, and that this push down is actually a correction to the uptrend, and it's actually going to keep on going up to one of these higher fib levels. But we're going to have to just watch and see on the shorter time frames. Taking it down to the daily, like I said, this very easily could be a wave A. This very easily could be a wave B. We could possibly now be going down for a wave C for sure. And that would be a 100% normal looking pattern if that is what it ends up doing. And the euro is actually very, very weak right now, so it may be likely that that is going on. But looking at all yen pairs, I'm still looking at this as possibly a correction to this move up, and possibly it will end the correction and continue the uptrend. So we're going to be looking for shorts on shorter time frames primarily, but we're going to be learning whether this is really a correction or not. And when we confirm that it is a correction and it's going back up, we'll stop looking for shorts and we'll start looking for longs again. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, like I said, I definitely am looking at this as possibly being a correction to this move up right here. I'm watching these Fibonacci levels for areas of resistance, areas of support. Now, if it just keeps on pushing down and never breaks structure to the upside, and we'll just keep on going short at the end of every pullback for the continuation of this move. Like I said, it may not be a correction. It possibly could just keep on trending down in a big wave C. So we are looking for shorts until we get like a double bottom at a fib level, like a break of structure, which it could happen at really any one of these levels. If I see this picture right here, then I will definitely stop looking for shorts and I'll start looking for longs again. But until that happens, maybe it'll bounce off a fib level, but it will not break structure. So until that happens, I would continue to look for shorts in a downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we definitely have a little bit of a reaction at the 50%, but there's really no break of structure. There's no higher low. There's really no reason to think this is actually over yet. And honestly, at this point, I kind of hope it does make a pullback because at this point, we are looking for shorts on these sort of time frames, unless we get like something like this, like a double bottom with a break of structure to the upside. That will definitely turn me into a buyer, but we definitely do not have that. So I would for sure at this point, continue to look for shorts until the higher time frames give us some sort of a confirmation that we really do have the end of a correction. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.